Hello everyone, I'm Anas Al-Ubaidi, and this is the sixth lecture or sixth session within Chapter 19 of the Advanced Medical Science Liaison and Medical Monitor Certification course program by CCRPS. As the chapter is about the advanced monitoring strategies, and the lecture or the session within this chapter is about the advanced trial design and implementation. Introduction. Clinical trials are the backbone of modern medicine, paving the way for the discovery and approval of life-saving treatments. The adoption of advanced trial designs and their seamless implementation has revolutionized the clinical research landscape, addressing the growing need for efficiency, flexibility, and precision. Unlike conventional static trial structures, advanced designs introduce adaptability and innovation, enabling sponsors and researchers to optimize resources, protect participant safety, and accelerate timelines. Advanced trial designs, such as adaptive trials and platform studies, allow researchers to modify protocols in real time based on interim results. Interim results mean the results of ongoing trials, ensuring trials remain ethical and data-driven. Similarly, implementation strategies that leverage cutting-edge technologies, including centralized monitoring and AI, artificial intelligence-driven platforms, enhance trial oversight and operational efficiency. For the advanced physician medical monitors, MMs, understanding these methodologies is crucial, as they oversee the design and execution of studies that adhere to regulatory standards while providing robust and reliable data. Key points for the topic for this session. We'll start with importance of advanced trial design. Why advanced trial design matters. Reasons, despite of the order, we'll start with the flexibility in changing scenarios. Advanced designs allow mid-study adjustments, amendments without compromising scientific validity. As for example, adaptive phase 2 oncology trials can modify dose levels based on patient response trends. Ethical benefits minimize participant exposure to ineffective treatments. As for an example, an adaptive trial for a new drug efficiently dropped underperforming treatment arms for participant safety. Efficient resource utilization reduces the duration and cost of trials while obtaining robust outcomes. As for example, a seamless phase 2-3 design saved 6 months during a breast cancer trial. Comparison to conventional designs. If we compare between the advanced trial design with or toward or against versus the conventional designs, as conventional trial designs are rigid, locking predefined parameters such as patient allocations and endpoints. Advanced designs integrate flexibility, making real-time modifications based on emerging data. As for an example, Alzheimer's drug study expanded arms dynamically in response to term efficacy. So here, basically, the difference between the conventional design and compare or against or versus the advanced trial designs, as advanced trial designs or advanced designs are flexible, while the conventional ones are rigid. Application for mastery. Master protocols in oncology integrate multiple treatment regimens under a single trial, reducing approval timelines significantly. And here's a simple diagram summarizing, explaining which trial design should be implemented between the advanced trial design, the flexible one, and the conventional trial design that is rigid. Key methodologies in advanced trial designs. Adaptive clinical trials, as adaptive trials enable pre-planned modifications during the study based on interim results, ongoing trial results. Types of adaptive designs. Adaptive randomization adjusts participant allocation toward arms showing superior outcomes. As for example, a malaria trial modified its randomization protocol to prioritize a promising low-dose arm. Group sequential designs allow early termination for futility or success, as for example, clinical trial for checkpoint inhibitors paused early due to clear therapeutic benefit. Sample size re-estimation refines participant numbers mid-study for better statistical power. Then we have seamless phase 2-3 designs, combines exploratory and confirmatory objectives into a single continuous trial design. Example, a phase 2 trial for a new therapy transitioned seamlessly into phase 3 efficacy testing by passing traditional delays. Platform trials. Platform trials allow the evaluation of multiple treatments under a single protocol. Example, the COVID-19 recovery trial simultaneously assists therapies like dexamethasone and remdesivir. Master protocols, as master protocols encompass umbrella, basket, and platform trials. Umbrella trials test several drugs targeting different subtypes of a single disease. As for example, personalized therapies in NSCLC evaluated specific genetic mutations. Basket trials evaluate one therapy across several diseases or molecular markers. So if we compare again between the umbrella trials and the basket trials, as in comparison, one versus other, as umbrella tests several drugs, multiple drugs, more than one drug medication, targeting different subtypes of a single disease. But by the end, multiple drugs targeting the same disease, single disease, umbrella, while basket trial is that evaluating one therapy, one medication across several diseases, multiple diseases or molecular markers. So the difference between umbrella trials or umbrella mode is that umbrella multiple medications for the same disease, although could be subtypes for a same single disease, but by the end is the same single disease, but multiple drugs or medications to be tested under umbrella mode. While basket mode or basket trials, basket, like a basket, one therapy or one medication for several or more than one disease, or here, as if not more than several diseases, could be more than or several molecular markers, but it is one therapy, one medication. Example trial for the basket trials, trial of an immune modular across diverse cancer types. Application for mastery Bayesian dose, finding tools accelerated early stage immunotherapy trials by identifying optimal dosages using real-time data. And here's a summarized diagram on which advanced trial design methodology should be used: adaptive trials, platform trials, master protocols, and seamless phase 2-3. Implementation strategies for clinical trials. Key components. Despite of the order, we have the stakeholder engagement, as frequent communication with the sponsors, regulatory bodies, and investigators ensures trial alignment. Example, weekly dashboards monitor recruitment and deviations in a rare disease study. Real-time monitoring, leveraging centralized monitoring systems, improves site performance and reduces errors. As for example, an EDC electronic data capture platform reduced patient dropout rates during a cardiovascular disease. Comprehensive site trainings, standardized onboarding equips sites with protocol-specific guidance. Example, interactive workshops ensured protocol compliance in multi-center trials. Workflow optimization, operational dashboards track progress and flag protocol deviations. Adaptable CTMS, streamline the coordination of multiple trial sites. Application for mastery AI, artificial intelligence-driven platforms reduce time spent analyzing phase 4 adverse event AE data by 40%, optimizing post-market surveillance. And post-market surveillance here is phase 4, as we know. And here we have a summarized diagram on enhancing clinical trial efficiency, stakeholder engagement, real-time monitoring, comprehensive site training, workflow optimization, and application for mastery. Challenges in advanced trial design and solutions, and the solution for or resolution for each challenge. As we know, with any implementation in clinical trial will face challenges. And here we have data interpretability. Advanced designs, while robust, often yield complex data sets that require nuanced analysis. And solution here employ pre-specified Bayesian models and simulations to simplify data interpretation. Cost constraints. Advanced methodologies involve initial higher costs for planning and simulations. Solution could here adaptive budgets allocate funds based on real-time trial needs, minimizing wastage. Regulatory complexities. Novel designs often necessitate rigorous regulatory justifications. Solution early collaboration with bodies like FDA, NUSA, EMA, and European Union ensures smoother approvals. Trial integrity and term analysis may introduce bias, errors, or disrupt the blinding process. Solution for that: independent data monitoring committees, IDMCs for short, oversee term data assessments to maintain objectivity. Application for mastery here: strategic contingency planning ensured enrollment rates for a rare pediatric disease trial despite recruitment challenges. And here we have a summarized diagram on how to address challenges in advanced trial design: cost constraints, trial integrity, regulatory complexities, and data interpretability. Case studies. Case 1, seamless oncology study. Challenge: delays in traditional dose escalation processes. Solution: seamlessly combined phase 1b and phase 2, reducing the timeline by 6 months. Case 2, adaptive COVID-19 therapy trial. Challenge: rapidly identifying ineffective treatments. Solution: the framework dynamically removed hydroxychloroquine, optimizing resources mid-trial. Case 3, rare disease platform trial. Challenge: limited participant pools for rare conditions. Solution: biomarker-driven patient selection, double trial, feasibility and efficiency. Case 4, multinational vaccine trial. Challenge: variable recruitment and data integrity across countries. Solution: real-time staggered monitoring, harmonized site performance globally. Case 5, umbrella trial for NSCLS as outcome reduced it by 20% through targeted interventions based on genetic profiles. And as we remember here, the difference between umbrella trial and basket trial: as umbrella, several medications in order to treat or manage a single disease or a single disease, while basket trial is one medication to treat multiple or several or more than one disease. An application example: integrated biomarker-driven approaches cut oncology recruitment times by addressing participant stratification complexities. And here is a diagram on innovative solutions in clinical trials as enhancing clinical trial efficiency. We have seamless oncology study, adaptive COVID-19 therapy trial, rare disease platform trial, multinational vaccine trial, umbrella trial for NSCLS, and integrated biomarker-driven approaches. Memory consolidation tables, as here we have methodology, description, example, methodologies, adaptive randomization, and group sequential design. Implementation strategy, the focus area example. As implementation strategies, we have monitoring and site training. Challenge impact solution, as the challenge here we have regulatory complexity. The final takeaway: advanced trial design and implementation epitomize the progressive shift in clinical research, fostering flexibility, innovation, and efficiency. By addressing challenges such as data complexity and regulatory scrutiny, these strategies enable advanced physician medical monitors, MMs, to lead rigorous, impactful studies with ethical and operational precision, with a strong foundation in methodologies like adaptive, seamless, and platform trials, and by leveraging real-world applications and advanced monitoring tools. Students will be poised to shape the future of clinical research dynamically. And here we have a diagram on shaping the future of clinical research, as we have here advanced trial design, we have flexibility, innovation, efficiency, ethical precision, operational precision, and real-world applications. Summary tables, upcoming tables to summarize what we have covered in this lecture. A table on key methodologies in advanced clinical trials, methodology description, example, advantage, impact on trial efficiency. As methodologies, we have adaptive randomizations or randomization, group sequential design, seamless phase 2-3, platform trials, and basket trials. Another table on comparison of traditional versus advanced clinical trial designs. We have feature trial, traditional trials, advanced trials, advantage of advanced designs, and then the impact on research. As features, we have study arms, flexibility, cost efficiency, time efficiency, and participant risk. A table on strategies for successful implementation. We have components, strategy, example, benefit, impact on trial execution. As components, we have stakeholder engagement, real-time monitoring, standardized site training, workflow optimization, and AI, artificial intelligence-driven analysis. This table we have on common challenges and their solutions, the challenge, impact on trials, proposed solution, example, outcomes, challenges, data complexity, cost constraints, regulatory compliance, trial integrity, and low recruitment rates. Table on case study insights from advanced clinical trials. We have case study type, challenge resolution framework, outcome achieved, and lesson learned. Case study type, we have seamless oncology trials, COVID-19 adaptive trials, biomarker and rare disease trials, multi-country vaccine trials, and umbrella trial for NSCLS. We have application table, scenario for each scenario, key principle applied, key actions, timeline, what to watch out for. As scenarios here, we have streamlining oncology trial with adaptive design, seamless phase 2-3 breast cancer study, personalized NSCLS therapy via umbrella trials, COVID-19 treatment platform trial, rare disease, pediatric study for biomarker enrichment. Continuing with scenarios, we have cardiovascular trial and endpoint optimization, oncology dose escalation, adaptive design, rare disease international trial workflow, real-time multi-country vaccine trial management, oncology master protocol design, and then we will revise what we have covered through this lecture through some multiple choice questions or MCQs. And we'll start with question 1. What is a primary advantage of using adaptive clinical trial design? Is it A, fixed trial arms to prevent variability? B, ability to modify trial parameters based on interim results? C, guaranteed reduced participant numbers? Or D, elimination of all trial monitoring requirements? So it is B, the ability to modify trial parameters based on interim results. So the flexibility to modify, as the adaptive clinical trial designs allow pre-planned modifications during the study, such as dose adjustments or dropping ineffective treatment arms based on interim findings, improving both efficiency and participant safety. Question 2, what is a defining feature of seamless phase 2-3 designs? Is it A, increased sample sizes with independent trials for each phase? B, integration of learning and confirmatory goals within a single trial? C, fixed end goals for each trial phase? Or D, exclusively used in oncology research? So it is B, as of integration of learning and confirmatory goals within a single trial. As seamless phase 2-3 designs combine different phases into a single trial to save time and cost by integrating dose selection phase 2 with efficacy confirmation phase 3. Question 3, how do platform trials differ from conventional trial designs? They focus on one investigational drug at a time. B, they evaluate multiple treatments under a unified protocol. C, they prioritize early termination for efficacy. D, they avoid biomarker usage in participant selection. So it is B, as they evaluate multiple treatments under a unified protocol. This is the answer, as B is the answer for how do platform trials differ from conventional trial design, as the conventional trial design is rigid, not flexible. So how platform trials differ? As it says in B, they evaluate multiple treatments under a unified protocol, kind of umbrella approach, umbrella trial. As here, the platform trials use a single protocol to assess multiple interventions, enabling efficient comparison and adaptability, as seen in studies like the COVID-19 recovery trial. Question 4, what is one key challenge in implementing advanced clinical trial designs, and what is an effective solution? Is it A, randomization issues solved by interim analysis, B, data complexity managed through Bayesian modeling, C, cost constraints addressed by reducing follow-up study phases, or D, ethical conflicts solved through platform trial design? So it is the data complexity. B is the answer, as data complexity and managed through Bayesian modeling. And the Bayesian modeling, as we agreed, it is a mix of studying or analyzing the prior past data and the ongoing observations in order to reach to our conclusions. As advanced trial designs often have complex methodologies that may obscure results, Bayesian modeling helps create pre-planned statistical frameworks to interpret data reliability and guide decision making. Question 5. Why are independent data monitoring committees, DMCs, critical in adaptive trials? Is it A, they review term results while maintaining trial blinding? B, they manage recruitment strategies for faster enrollment? C, they are responsible for creating trial protocols? Or D, they eliminate the need for ethical board oversight? So it is A, as they review term results, ongoing trial results, while maintaining a trial blinding in order to avoid bias or reduce bias. So the independent data monitoring committees, IDMCs for short, oversee term analysis and ensure the integrity of trial data by maintaining blinding or masking, preventing bias errors while allowing necessary modifications for participant safety and trial success. And here we come to end of this lecture. Thank you very much and goodbye.